Hello, fellow food lovers. Welcome to our food time. Today, we will take you to learn more about a Chinese specialty food, plum dried vegetable cake. This traditional snack not only tastes unique, but also has a rich cultural heritage. Next, let's take a look at how it is made and learn some cooking tips. First of all, the production process of plum dried vegetable cakes, traditional craftsmanship with modern production technology. First of all, selecting high-quality plum dried vegetable is the key to making this delicacy. After washing, chopping, and pickling, the plum dried vegetable is processed to be fresh, fragrant, and tasty, becoming the soul of plum dried vegetable cake. Next, we will make the crust. The flour is mixed with water and salt and white sugar and kneaded into a soft dough. This is the basis for the crispy crust. Then, pickled mustard greens are mixed with a secret seasoning to make the fragrant filling. We strictly control every link during production to ensure that the taste and texture of each plum-dried vegetable cake reaches the best standard. When we make plum-dried vegetable cakes, in addition to kneading the dough thoroughly, the baking temperature and time are also very important. The finished product, the plum-dried vegetable cake, has a golden and crispy crust and a juicy filling. Every bite can taste the freshness of the pickled mustard greens and the layered flavors, making it an irresistible temptation. How to cook plum-dried vegetable cake. High-end ingredients are often cooked in the simplest way. When you want to enjoy this delicious plum-dried vegetable cake, you don't need to thaw it, just heat it in a pan or electric griddle. Secondly, put the plum-dried vegetable cake in the pan without adding oil, turn it over, and fry it until both sides are golden brown and cooked. It only takes a few minutes to eat the plum-dried vegetable cake, which is convenient and practical. Through today's exploration, we hope to help you understand the whole process of making and cooking plum-dried vegetable cakes. Thank you for watching. Every plum-dried vegetable cake embodies our ingenuity and pursuit of deliciousness. Please subscribe to our channel to unlock more delicious food. See you next time!